Hello students, today we are here to discuss the change in exam pattern of IJSO due to the COVID-19. We will also discuss here the analysis of previous 5-year papers of IJSO on the basis of number of questions. We will also discuss the important questions on important chapters in physics. It is IOQJS. It is the first step to enter the international Olympiads. Next, these are the stages of IJSO. In previous years before COVID-19, IJSO it was held in 5 stages. Now one stage is reduced. There is only 4 stages. First stage is IOQJS, second is OCSC, third is PDT, and last is IJSO. This IOQJS, it is the combination of previous first and second stages, that is NSEJS and INJSO. Now it is combined, its name is IOQJS, Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Junior Science. Second stage, third stage and this is fourth stage, they are same as in previous years, there will be no change. Now next is, these are the stages of new stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. Stage 1 is known as IOQJS. This year it will be held on 6th March this year. Approximate 20 to 60,000 students appear in it. The number of students depends on the stages, quotas of stages. First, how many seats are divided to states, so total students are 20 to 60,000. Now, second stage OCSC, it is theoretical and experimental. Third stage PDT as same in previous years, that is 6 students are selected in it. In OCSC there are 35 students are selected. In the last IJSO there are only 6 students, they will represent India, it is international. That is next. These are the paper pattern of IOQJS. IOQJS is the combination of previously first and second stages, that is INJSO, that is IOQ. First stage is NSE, as in previous stages, that is NSEJS. First, second stage INOJS. In first part, first of all, these 2 papers will be held on the same day in first sitting. First paper it is of 75 minutes. And second part is of, that is 120 minutes. There will be no gap, there will be only 15-minute gap between the first part and the second part. Important thing is, those students who are selected in first paper, first part, the copies of the INO will be checked only those students, same as in previous years. पहले first paper में जितने select होते थे on the basis of that's MI and MAS. MI and MAS means, MI means 80% of average of 80% of top 10 students, and MAS is 50%, average of 50% of top 10 students in first stage, that is NSE. In first there will be approximate 20 questions from physics from each subject. This year maths is not in this first IOQJS. Next is, now we will discuss about physics here. This is questions of IOQJS in first paper, there will be only 20 questions. 20 questions from physics, they will be objective. Is it clear? Most of these questions will be conceptual and numerical problems. they will be of 9th, 10th standard, but some of the questions will be maybe of higher level, that NCERT of class 11th and 12th. In physics, important topics are, chapters are electricity, light, heat, magnetism and EMI, kinematics, NLM, sound, gravitation and fluid. These are the important chapters for IOQJS. Next is, it is an analysis of last 5 years, that is from 2016 to 2020, on the basis of number of questions in IOQJS, means in first stage and second stage combined. From graph it is clear, that is there are approximate 38 questions in light. In electricity there are approximate 34 questions, approximate same weightage of light and electricity. It covers at least 40% of the total paper of IOQJS. Third number is, that is kinematics, there are 20 questions, and at fourth there are approximate 70 or 80 questions. In fluid mechanics there are 16 questions. Means most of the weightage, most of the questions are from light, electricity, kinematics, sound. These are the important chapters. So you are advised to focus on light, electricity, kinematics, fluid and heat, the most important chapter for IOQJS. Now the next we will discuss light here because weightage, सबसे ज़्यादा weightage इसी का है, first paper और second paper both में. Most important thing is this here, first paper and second paper. Second paper उन्हीं का check होगा जो first paper clear कर लेंगे on the basis of MI and MAS. MI and MAS same as in previous years. Now about light, in the first question we have to solve it. In the first question, in the diagram M1 and M2 are two plane mirrors at right angle. This angle is 90 degree. Okay. The first reflection at M1 and M2, the area of the triangle formed by the objects and image, two images. We can say here, think about this. Okay, is 2 centimeter. The image of O by mirror M1 will be at it's also 2 centimeter. Suppose it is I1, and image of O formed by M2 will be also at 2 centimeter. It is I2. It is 2 centimeter. We can also write that total distance will be 4 centimeter. This will be 4 centimeter. If we connect I1 and I2, then definitely it will pass through this corner. It is, this is the triangle. Suppose this point is A, this point is B, it is image. Means we have to find the area of triangle AOB. Area will be of triangle A, O and B, that is half into base 4 into height, that is 8 centimeter square. So correct answer is C. Is it clear? Now the second question is, this one is also depends on plane mirror. Question is, as shown in the adjacent figure, two plane mirrors M1 and M2 are inclined each other at an angle of 70 degree. देखिए, this one is 70 degree. 70 degree. Okay. Now, incident AB at an angle of theta on M1. This angle is given theta. Okay. Theta. This ray, after reflection at B on M1 and further at C on M2, travel along the direction CD such that CD is parallel to M1. These are the parallel. These two lines are parallel. So we can say we have to find the angle theta. These two parallel lines, this was transverse line, so this angle will be 70. Is it clear? $70. Okay, this is known as glance angle of rays is moving in this direction, glance angle of reflection, glance angle of incidence, this will be of 70°. Now think about this triangle C, O and B. This is 70, this is 70, so this will be 180 minus 70 means 40°. Is it clear that is EB is normal on M1, so this angle is 90°. We have to find this angle, so it is 90 minus 40, that is how much? 50°. So theta is 50°. Correct option is B. This is second question in IJSO stage first 2017. The next question is also on plane mirror. A ray of light incident on the system of mirror as shown in the adjacent figures. What is the total deviation D? You have to find the D. This one D. To be find. Okay. D of the ray when emerges out after the two reflections. Light is moving in this direction. Is it clear? If we draw, suppose this mirror is M1, this mirror is M2. If we draw normal, this angle is of incidence, this angle of, that is known as a reflection, this angle will be same. So suppose it is alpha, it will be also alpha. We can easily find this angle because it is 90°. So this will be 90 minus alpha. Now when light falls on this mirror M1, here will be the normal, this angle will be equal, suppose it is beta, it will also be beta. So this will be 90 minus beta. We can write in this triangle, suppose this point is O, A, this one is B point, this is C point. Now think about triangle O, A and B. In the triangle O, A, B, the sum of the all angles will be 180°. It is theta, it is given, that is 70°. 70 plus 90 minus alpha plus 90 minus beta, that is equals to 180°. We can also write that is alpha plus beta. We can find the answer. Alpha plus beta, 90 cancel. That is how much? 70°. But you have to find the angle D, this angle. How will find? Think about triangle A, C and B. In triangle A, C and B, this D is exterior angle, or exterior angle will be equal to the sum of two interior angles, that is 2 alpha, it is 2 beta. So 2 alpha plus 2 beta, that will be equals to D. You have to find D. Means we can put here 2 into 70, that is equals to D. So correct option D is 140°. It is the correct answer. Okay. This was the question number 3. Now the next question is this, number 4. Image is obtained on a screen. On a screen means image is real. By keeping an object 25 centimeter and 40 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay. Image is in the former case is 4 times bigger than in the latter. Find the focal length of the mirror. First of all, what is the magnification? You know mirror formula 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. If we divide this multiplied by u, so u upon f is equals to u upon v plus 1, or u upon v will be equals to transfer this side u upon f minus 1. So u upon v is u minus f divided by f. Is it clear? U minus f divided by f. We want to find v upon u. It's the magnification. F upon u minus f. Is it clear? It's important. It is a magnification. Image is real on a screen. So m will be negative in the first case when u is minus 25, then image m1 is negative. So we can write here minus m1 is equals to by this formula f upon 25 minus f, but u is minus 25 minus f. In second case, when u is 40 centimeter, it is 40 centimeter, then m2 will be equals to minus 40 centimeter. We will not put the sign of f because it is to be find. So minus m2 again real is equals to f upon minus 40 and minus f. It is number 1, it is number 2. On dividing 1 and 2, m1 by m2, that is equal to 40 plus f divided by 25 plus f. Take the common minus and cancel that. Okay, next. Okay, next. It is given m1 by m2. It is 4 by 1, that will equals to 40 plus f divided by 25 plus, on cross multiplying find the value of f. So f becomes minus 20 centimeter. Minus means negative sign shows nature of concave mirror. So correct answer is 20. It is B. Is it clear? Okay, next is question number 4. Now the question number, that's question number 5. It is the question number 5. It also depends on reflection of light. These are the concave mirror. You have to find the correct option is this one. We know very well that it is a mirror concave, it is pole, it is F, it is C. When object is placed between pole and focus point, then image will be virtual and magnified. Now think about first option. Object is here, image is here. This is smaller, this is bigger, virtual and magnified. Now think about D. It is smaller, but it is also smaller in comparison. Image is form diminished, so it is not correct. It may be correct, but think about this one. Object is placed between focus and pole, so image is also between focus and pole. It is not possible, so it is not correct. Think about it. Object is placed between pole and focus, and image is between F and P. Not possible. So correct option is A. Next question number 6. It is question 6. It is question number 6. Now, a point object O is placed at origin. When a concave mirror M1 is placed at 6 centimeter, image is formed at infinity. When M1 is replaced by another mirror M2 at same position, image is formed at 30 centimeter. This question is most important. Now think about this one. Origin, it is origin, it is x-axis, mirror is placed here, concave, its focal length f1. Okay, it is 6. it is origin. It means this length will be 6 centimeter. Now according to question, image is formed at infinity. It means focus length f1 will be equals to minus 6 centimeter. When object is placed at a focus point, this will be the focus point and image will be at infinity. Now the second part is shows that when m1 is replaced by another. So now think about it. It is origin. O, here is object. Here is mirror placed at same position, that is 6 centimeter. Means u is minus 6 centimeter. It is a pole. And image is formed at 30, not distance 30, it is a position, it is 30 image towards this side, towards x-axis. So think about it, it will be V. So V will be equals to 30 minus 6, that equals to 24 centimeter. But it is, object is real, so image will be virtual, it is plus. Now u is minus 6, v is plus 24, you have to find the value of focal length is suppose f2. So 1 upon f2 will be equals to 1 upon v, 1 upon v means 24 minus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. We can calculate what is f2 is equals to, f2 is equals to 24, it is a minus 1 plus, that is minus 6. Is it clear? U is minus 6, formula is 1 upon f is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, v is plus 24, u is minus 6. If we solve, then f becomes minus 8 centimeter, f2. You have to find f1 by f2, that will be equal to 3 by 4. So correct option is A. This is the correct option. Okay, this was the question number 6. Next देखिए आप question number 7. It is depends on reflection. देखिए the diagram shows total internal reflection TIR. Which of the following statements are correct? You know very well TIR means, suppose this is a denser medium, light moves from here, when it R becomes 90 degree, then it will be critical angle IC. If we increase this angle, incidence angle greater than IC, then ray will move in this direction. So think about this. Angle AON is equal to incident angle, ये angle equal होंगे, is it correct? AON, angle ON incident angle, ये भी clear incident angle है, I, here is R. AON is critical angle, AON is critical angle, it is greater than critical angle, so this one is wrong, this one is wrong. The speed of light in medium 2 is greater than the speed of light in medium 1. So ये medium 2, it is denser, it is rare, because it is the first condition for TIR, light must move from rare medium to denser medium. तो ये ध्यान रखिए, mistake यहाँ होती है, you have to choose not true, not correct, so option is C, correct option is C. Now the next question. Now 8, the figure PQRS denotes the path followed by a ray of light as it travels 3 media, M1, M2. First of all, think about it. These are the media, 1, 2, 3, so many media, parallel sides. It is mu1, it is mu2, it is mu3 and mu4. Light moves from here. In the absence of these media, it will move in this path. Suppose first medium and last medium is same, then definitely this ray, incident ray and emergent ray will be parallel. Now think about in the question, this PQ and R and S are parallel. It means first medium mu1 and mu2 are equal. So we can say mu1, mu3, mu1 is equals to mu3. Now think about this second medium. light incident ray is PQ, it is bending towards normal, it means mu2 is denser, it means greater than, it is less than. It is denser, so mu2 is greater, it means less than. That's the answer. Now think about the answer. This one is mu1 is equal to mu3 is less than mu2. So correct option is C. Now next question. Question number 9. One side of the glass slab is silvered as shown in the figure. A ray of light incident on the other side at angle of incidence 45. This is 45 again. It is transparent medium. Mu is this one. Now think at this point O. Because it is moving from rare to denser medium, so it will bend towards the normal. Is it clear? Now think about this mirror. Here will be the normal. It will bend at the same angle. I and R will be equal. Now think about this one. This angle is R. This will also be R because I is equals to R. So it will bend in this way. This will be how much? 45 degree. 45 degree. Now after it there are two methods. Extend this line in forward direction. Okay? Forward direction and extend in backward direction. You have to find the angle between incident ray and that is emergent ray. और ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हैं, दूसरा मेथड भी. चलिए इस नॉर्मल को यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दीजिए, तो ये रे यहाँ शिफ्ट होगी. बिल्कुल इक्वेशन पैरेलली शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं आप. ओके देन बिल्कुल इन दिस वे दिस 45. तो व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एमर्जेंट रे? तो आंसर इज A. Correct option is A. This was the 9th question. Now next question. It is question number 10. A fisherman of height h is standing on the bank of a lake. A fish in the water precises his height. देखिए, it is the suppose water. Okay. It is the water. Height standing in the bank of lake. Fisherman. चलिए इसकी height ये है. It is h. We can say it is object. Now light moves from this point. It is moving from rare to denser, so it will bend towards the normal. Here is fish. If we extend here, then image will be at this point. So it will be h dash. From figure it is clear h dash is greater than h. Same thing RD and AD, it is RD, it is AD. When observer in denser medium, then mu is AD by RD. When observer is in denser medium, same thing mu is RD by AD. When observer is in rare medium. ठीक है, इससे भी आइडिया लगा सकते हैं आप. तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. दैट इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज A. H dash is greater than H. Now next question. These are the subjective question. 2 times magnified image is formed by a mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Find nature of mirror. First part solution. First part nature of mirror. Generally students का आंसर ये होगा, it is concave. It is not nature, it is a type of mirror. So nature of mirror is that is converging, because convex mirror will never form magnified image. It is 2 times magnified. So correct answer is converging mirror. अगर आपसे पूछता है कि what is the type of mirror, then you can write that is concave. Now the second part, think about this second part. Sign of magnification, साइन ऑफ मैग्निफिकेशन आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं अगर आपको मालूम है इमेज इज रियल और वर्चुअल, अदरवाइज यू आर अनेबल टू डिसाइड द साइन. तो दिस कॉनकेव मिरर मे फॉर्म अ रियल मैग्निफाइड ऑल्सो वर्चुअल मैग्निफाइड इमेज बोथ. तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा नंबर 1 इज इफ इमेज इज रियल देन M will be negative. If image is virtual, then M will be positive. Now the solution of third part depends on this second part. Now think about this third part. Divided into two parts. Image is real, then M is equals to minus 2, but the formula is minus V by U, that is minus 2. What is V is equals to minus 2U. Image is virtual, then minus V upon U is equals to 2, V is equals to minus 2U. You have to find the value of U and V both. Okay, next. First part, image is real. अभी फाइंड किया आपने v इज इक्वल टू माइनस प्लस 2u और इमेज इज वर्चुअल था, v इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2u. इज इट क्लियर? आप चाहें तो चेक कर सकते हैं. देखिए माइनस 2u इट इज प्लस 2u, what is minus 2u? Okay, next. Now think about f is given. F in the question is given. What is the focal length? 10 centimeter. Concave head is minus 10 centimeter. Then f is minus 10 centimeter. Here also f is minus 10 centimeter. Use the formula. 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Put the value of f 10. 1 upon v means 2u plus 1 upon u. Do not put the sign of u. U and v both are to be found. Put the sign only f. So minus 1 upon 10, that will equals to 2u. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Or what is the value of u? Minus 15 centimeter. Minus shows it is real object, and 15 means object is placed between focus point and center of curvature. So image will be real and magnified. If you have to find the value of v, then put here v is equals to 2 into minus 15, that is how much? Minus 30 centimeter. So u is minus 15 centimeter and v is minus 30 centimeter. The first answer. Think about it. 1 upon 10 minus 10 to 1 upon 2u with negative sign plus 1 upon u. Take 2u LCM. It is minus 1 plus 2. 1 upon 10. Find the value of u. Minus 5 centimeter. Put here. Minus 5 means object is placed between pole and focus point. So image will be virtual and magnified. V will be equals to 2 minus 2 into minus 5, that is how much? Plus 10 centimeter. Plus means it is virtual. Image is found behind the mirror. So correct answer is minus 5 and plus 10 centimeter. The value of u and v, and this one also. So it is the solution of first question. First, second and third part. Now the next. Question number 11, part B. A converging beam converges at a point P. A converging lens, याद रखना ये. Okay. First of all, suppose it is the bulb. It is spreading rays of light this way. It is diverging bulb. It means if beam is diverging, then definitely image object will be real. ये कभी भी इस तरह का बीम फॉर्म नहीं कर सकता। अगर ये है इंसिडेंट बीम then object will be virtual. Same method is applied in this question. A converging beam in this type, a point P, it is converging beam. Okay, is it clear? Converges at a point P. A converging lens convex, focal length is given 5 centimeter, is placed here. F is plus 5 centimeter. This distance is 10 centimeter. So it will be U. U will be plus 10 centimeter, virtual object. Is it clear? Now it will not converge at this point. Okay, because nature is converging, so it will converge at this point. Here will be V, which is to be found. All are given. U is plus 10, F is plus 5. So 1 upon F is 1 upon V. याद रखिए 1 upon U, not plus. For lens is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. It is 1 upon 5. That will be 1 upon it is 1 upon 5. That will be 1 upon 10. 1 upon V. To be find 1 upon V minus 1 upon 10. Okay, 1 upon 10. Transfer 10 towards here, or you can find easily. Now you will solve here. This one is, next option is this one. 1 upon V is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10. That is 1 upon V is equals to 3 by 10, or V is 10 by 3 plus याद रखिए U ये था U, this was U plus, so V is also plus, will be here will be the image I 5, that is I. It is less than 10 by 3 at 10 by 3 centimeter. So new focus point will be at this point. This distance is 10 by 3. So it is the solution of second part of question number, part B of question number 11. Okay, next. It is the question number 12. Is also important question. A pole of length 2 meter stands half dipped in swimming pool with water level 1 meter higher than the bottom. Ri of water is 4 by 3 and sunlight is coming at an angle of 37 degree with the vertical. Find the length of shadow of the pole. इसके लिए सबसे पहले याद रखिए tan 37 is 3 by 4. In this way, it is to be learned. It is 37, or tan theta is known as perpendicular divided by base, that is 3 by 4. So this will be 5. We can also find sin 37 is 3 by 5. कुछ भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं आप इससे. अब think about the question. It is a pole. How much? Is a bed. Water. It is 1 meter inside water. Or mu is 4 by 3. Good. Sunlight is coming from here. Now think about it. It is also 1 meter. Sunlight is coming in this way. It will move in a straight line. This angle is given 37. तो ये भी 37 होगा. Confirm. Now at this point it is moving from air to water. Air to water, if we draw normal here, this angle will be 37. Definitely, is 37, is also 37. Now it is the bed. So normal, it will bend in this direction. this angle is r, suppose, okay, it will be the shadow. It is shadow. You have to find the distance. This, suppose this is y and this is x. So you have to find shadow x plus y to be find length of shadow. How you will find? Think about this one. Triangle, suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. So in the triangle ABC, 10 of 37. 10 of 37 is y upon 1. Y upon 1. So 37 is 3 by 4. That is y upon 1. That is what is the value of y? 3 by 4. That is 0.75 meter. It is y. It is clear. Y is 0.75. 3 by 4. It is y. Now you have to find the value of x. How you will find? Think about it. X. It is r. We can apply the Snell's law at this point B clearly. Now think about towards right. देखिए इसको रब करता हूँ. Okay, now think about this triangle B. Suppose this is M, this is N. By Snell's law, at O, at B, it is here. So 1 into sin 37, 1 into sin 37, that will be equals to mu 4 by 3, mu into sin of r, that is 4 by 3 into sin of r. We can find the value of sin of r is 3 by 5, that is 9 by 20. 9 by 20. We have to find the tan of r. Think about it. It is r. Sin of r is 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Then how we will find this? 20 square minus 9 square, approximate 70 point something, 86. You can find the tan r. What is tan r? Tan r from here, perpendicular 9 by 17.86 means tan r approximate 0.5. Approximate 0.5. But think about this triangle. What is the value of tan r? X upon 1. X, or it is given 1, that equals to x upon 1. So implies that x is equals to 0.5. It is x. It is y. You have to find x plus y. कैसे find करेंगे आप? Shadow, length of shadow, that is 0.75 plus 0.5, that is 1.25 meter. It is the answer. Correct answer is this one. Okay, next. It is the first part of question number 12. Next. Is the question number 12, B part. B part. How much water should be filled in a container 21 centimeter in height so that it appears half filled when viewed from the top of the container? RI of water is 4 by 3. Okay. Most important question. Actually, it is the question of KVBY. Chaliye, it is a container. Think about it. It is a container. Its height is 21 centimeter. It is empty container. अब कह रहा है इसमें कितनी हाइट तक वाटर फिल करें, कितनी हाइट तक? तो सपोज कीजिए वाटर इज फिल्ड अप टू हाइट x. यहां तक वाटर फिल करिए मैंने ये वाला. ओके अब बता सकते हैं व्हाट द रियल डेप्थ ऑफ द बॉटम? It is x. It is the real depth. अब मैं ऊपर से देखूंगा तो ये बॉटम इतने पर नहीं दिखाई देगा, इसका इमेज थोड़ा ऊपर बनेगा, सोच के देखिए जरा, इसका इमेज जो होगा ना यहां बनेगा, जो यहां था ना इस पॉइंट पर फॉर्म होगा। ओके, इट इज, मुझे ये बॉटम इस जगह का इस पॉइंट पर दिखाई देगा, ये वाला। सो इट इज एडी, AD, but we don't know this. What is AD? Our last part is this one. It is a field viewed from the top container. It appears half filled. Half filled. ऊपर से देख रहा हूं तो मुझे बॉटम यहाँ दिख रहा है, नीचे से मतलब नहीं मुझे। हाफ फील्ड का मतलब this length and this length must be equal. It is AD, or we know that it is 21 minus x. तो RD is x, AD is half filled, this one and this one equal, AD is 21 minus x. We know very well mu is RD by AD, it is 4 by 3, that is equals to x divided by 21 minus x. Solve it. 84 minus 4x is equals to 3x, means 7x is equals to 84. It implies that what is the value of x? 12 centimeter. It's the answer. We must fill the container up to a height of 20 centimeter. It's the answer. On next day we will take the second part of this IOQJS, that will also be related to light. Okay.